So we got the crane scale, got the buggy all jury rigged up here. Let's see what the old girl weighs once and for all. Got to take all slack out of the line here. Unhook the crane, get it zeroed out first. All right, we're zeroed. Let's see what we got. I really hope I don't bend my frame rails. Ooh, got 400. All right, we're up to 400. All right, things are settling in. Ooh, we're over 500. We're up to almost 600. It's starting to get light. I think the back end is up. We're at about 550. The weight is dropping as these straps settle. That's 630. Woo, we're over 700. Please don't break. The back end is just barely. Oh boy, oh boy, we're at 960. The lift and the buggy have become one, and we're at 960. Now we're down to 900. Oh, straps, don't fail me now. I'm gonna bend these frame rails. Oh gosh. This is making me really nervous. All right. All right, I'm going to try a different mounting position, but there was some mild contact happening down here at the frame, so I'm not sure all of a sudden now how accurate that was. Please don't snap. That's 700 pounds. Man, this thing's freaking me out. Front's getting light. See how back feels. I don't know. Back's heavy. Let's keep going. All right, it slipped. That's 900 pounds. I don't know what slipped. That's 1,000. Buggy is almost off the ground. Front is off the ground. Rear's completely off the ground. Buggy is off the ground. That's 1,100. That's 1,150. And whole buggy's off the ground, you guys. That's 1,150. All right, so there you have it, the official weight. Finally, we've all been waiting years to know. I've always known the buggy's been about 1,000 pounds. Now, keep in mind, 1,150 is after I've added metal here. The steering is finished, so that's probably added another 10 pounds down there. I've got 50 pounds of new suspension in it up here. And what else? Oh, you guys very rarely see me running it with all of these frame rails back here. So that guy's probably 3 to 4 pounds. All of this metal back here is probably 30 pounds of metal. And that's just really the cage that's protecting the fuel cell back here. So when I bring this thing to Durhamtown, if anybody accidentally runs into the back of me, they're not going to ram and smash the fuel cell there. And it is full of fuel. So that's, what's 6 times 8? So we got about 50 pounds. Actually, ethanol is 6.7, approximately 6.7 pounds a gallon. I've got 8 gallons in it. So we've got about 50 pounds worth of fuel. Once I get the new suspension on, we're going to be at about 200 or 1,200 pounds. Not 200 pounds, that would be wild. So there you have it. Official weight for the buggy. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.